Manawahoukura, gifted by Prime Gloin. For those who can consider what manawa may mean to you, manawa of course means heart, it means breath of life, and of course you have ho means to bind, to renew, and kura in terms of kurahuna, treasures of knowledge. Houkura also means to be successful and to be fruitful. It was important that manawa was also maintained in the kupu, as it derived from the Tainui kōrero, which came from the Rangahau Rautaki in 2015. Now te manawa hei tā koutou o Tainui, when Hani and Puna, the male essence and the female essence, when they joined in union, they gave birth to the first human tikiahua. They created a manawa, and that manawa was called Rangahau, and that was instilled into tikiahua. And it was from there that Iho consecrated with the kupu manawa tinga manawa toka i rā kōrero, kurahuna i rā. Hono koina tētahi kōrero iti nei mō tēnei kupu te Manawahoukura.
The purpose and objective of Te Manawahoukura is to really revitalise and promote rangahau across the wānanga, but also to look externally and engage with iwi hapu whānau. Really it's about making sure that Māori ways of knowing and being and doing are centred in the way that we explore the world. The difference between rangahau and research is that rangahau will always be rooted in Māori ways of knowing and doing. The Western notion of research is relatively limited to things that can be proved empirically, whereas rangahau has much broader understanding of exploration and seeing the world. So things like wairua become important, things that are intuitively understood or gathered. Those things are seen as valid understandings of the world in a notion of rangahau. If people are interested in doing rangahau, we now have a series of manawa, so these are our research or rangahau hapori communities. They're all based on different kaupapa, so they've got a manawa whenua for those who are interested in things to do with the environment, or a manawa ora for those who are interested in things to do with well-being. We've got about 9 different manawa, and they've each got a kaihotu or a lead. If you go to our website, the manawa are set out there and the emails of the lead. So just email the lead, get in touch, and those manawa will be places of support, or ultimately we'll be having our own internal journal as well that the wānanga will produce.